Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to room 9. It's Dr. Sanders in here. And guess what? You see my birthday hat on? That's right. It's my birthday. If you want to send me shout outs, go ahead and hashtag 9 or tag 9 network or tag Albert Sanders. You can send me a shout out on all those social media things. But we're in room 9, the largest classroom in the region. And we're here to teach a little bit ELA and math for pre-K and kindergarten. But remember what I always say? It doesn't matter if you're 2 or 102. You can learn something. All right, let me take my birthday hat off. Bye-bye, birthday hat. All right, boys and girls. Before we get started, let's go over our objectives for today. I will explore problem and solution, and I will work with patterns and beginning, addition, and math. And we're going to focus a lot on math today. But so let's get started. We are going to count from 0 all the way to 100. Are you ready? After we get to 50, I'll let you mimic me. Which means, mimic means what? Repeat. Exactly. So let's go from 0 to 100. My zero's hiding again as usual. 0, I always be playing games. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Whew. Keep counting. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That's right. You're supposed to mimic me, right? I'm sorry. So let's go with 61. Then you can mimic me. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. You ready? Mimic me. When I point to you, that's when you say it, right? When I point to you, that's when you say it. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Whew. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yeah, you made it. All right, now, excuse me, now we're going to count by 5s to 100. from 0 to 100 by 5. It's called skip counting. It's also like a pattern. So here we go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good work, boys and girls. All right. Now we're going to count. Are you ready for us to count our next thing? We're going to count our friends' names in the letters. We're going to count the letters in our friends' names. Whose name was this? Katie. Let's count the letters in Katie's name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And whose name is this? Carly. Carly P. Let's count the letters in Carly's name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at Carly and Kaylee. They both start with a K, an N, and what? E-E. Carly, Katie. Interesting. And whose name was this? Chanel. Let's count her letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And whose name is this? Ramon. Hey, I'm sorry, Raymond. Let's count his letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And whose name is this? Joseph. Let's count Joseph's letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi, Joseph. Joseph has 6 letters. Now let's look at some patterns. Somebody made these and they drew them very well. Well, kind of. That means Dr. Sanders drew them, right? Let's look at this pattern. It says star, blank, star, oval, star. What's missing? Right. I'm sorry. I forgot who said it. I think it was Ava who said it. But right, a circle. That is correct. We have to put an oval. So star, oval, star, oval, star. And since it's just 2 things, it's just an A-B pattern, right? Let's turn it over. Rectangle, blank, rectangle, star, rectangle, star, rectangle. What goes right there? Right, Travell. It's a star. It's a star that goes right there. Star, rectangle, star, rectangle, star, rectangle, star. That's right. All right, I think I have one more. Who can name these shapes? It's 5 sides. What shape is that? Has 5 sides. A house? Yeah, it kind of looks like a house. But a pentagon. That's right. It's a pentagon. So let's go. Let's look at our pattern. Pentagon, blank, rectangle. Pentagon, pentagon, rectangle. What goes right there? What goes right there, Lyric? Yes, a pentagon. You are right. You are right. Pentagon, pentagon, rectangle. Pentagon, pentagon, rectangle. That is so right. You're getting so good at those patterns. And this type of pattern it has a pentagon, pentagon. So that's A, and then B. A, B. All right, let's do a little addition. Check this out. It says 4 plus 3, but we don't have anything. How could you do 4 plus 3? If you didn't know it, how could you do it? How could you show me? Yeah, you could say 4 plus 1, 2, 3, right? And then you do what? You put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. That is right. So, and let's say you didn't have any fingers, which is possible, right? You could just use, maybe you have some blocks sitting around. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 in this hand and 3 in this hand. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So you can use what you got to put things together. You could draw it. You can draw it like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It still equals 7. Or if you have those paper clips and you have these cards, you could do it too. 4 and then add 3 more down here. 1, 2, 3, 1. I'm taking up all my time. 3, 4 plus 3 equals 7. So that's just different ways you can show 7. Or use addition to put together. Subtraction is just taken apart. Let's say these are your sight words. Let's read the sight words. The, we, fall, fun. Read them with me. The, we, fall, fun. And let's just say for some reason, or we're so smart that we already know the, we, and fall. So we could take those off, right? The, we, and fall. So we had 4, and we took away 3, and it equals what? How many more do we need to learn? 1. The one fun. So we can have some fun. That's right. So 4 subtract 3 equals 1. And the answer in the subtraction problem is called the difference. The answer in the addition problem is called the sum. You'll learn that. If you learn it now, you'll be like, ooh, I'm super smart. You all have been sitting a long time, and I know you have. So everybody, please stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Let's raise the roof 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3. That's right. Let's nod our head 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Let's jump up and down 10 times. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Are you tired yet? Okay, let's count to. Let's raise our shoulders 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, thank you, Adara.
You're welcome.
Did you bake this all by yourself?
No, I had a little help.
You had a little help? Well, thank you. I guess I need to blow it out. Look, I'm 6 years old. I'm 6. Must have been the only candle we had in the house. But I'll be 6 just like many of my friends. Like Joseph, he's 6. Here we go. Make a wish. You gonna sing happy birthday to me? Come on, everybody. Okay.
2, 3. Come on, everybody. Put your hands to the clap.
Now
it's time for the birthday rap. You might sing it right, but you might sing it wrong. But this is how you sing the birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you. You want to sing it again? Let's sing it together. You can sing it to me. Okay, I'll sing it too. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on, everybody. Put your hands to the clap. Now it's time for the birthday rap. You might sing it right. You might sing it wrong. But this is how we sing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Adara. Woo! 6 years old, yes. Also, boys and girls, you know what other birthday is today? it's the Marine Corps' birthday. The Marine Corps is part of our armed forces, and it's their birthday as well today. So I get to share a birthday with the Marine Corps. So all my Marine Corps family out there, hello. Thank you very much. And I think they always say Semper Fi. All right? Thank you, Adara. Now we're going to read this book. And thank you, boys and girls, for singing. You were so loud. Thank you very much. We were talking about, oh, you're supposed to sit down on 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, down. Sit right down on the ground. This week we were talking about problems and solutions. I'm going to read another book today, and it's called I Don't Feel Like It. And it's written by Mary Woolford, and it's illustrated by Gloria Day. Mary, I get permission to read this book from the St. Louis Black Authors of Children's Literature. So, and she's a local author, so maybe you'll see Miss Woolford out. You can say, hi, Miss Woolford, I read your book. It says, I don't feel like it. This is the spine. This is the back cover, and this is the front cover. I don't feel like it. Think about the problem in this book, and let's see if it has a solution. Okay? I don't feel like it. And again, I have permissions from the St. Louis Black Authors of Children's Literature, which they show black excellence, and I hope I'm showing it as well. I don't feel like it. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Tim whose mother worked in a toy factory. Every day, she would bring home a new toy, and that made Tim very happy. One day, Tim's mother noticed the clutter of toys in his room. Reaching into the closet, she pulled out her broom. She said, tidy up, Tim. There is nowhere to sit. Tim looked at his mom and said, no, I don't feel like it. Ooh. That afternoon before lunch, his mother said, take out the trash and finish all your chores before you sit. Tim, barely looking her way, said, no, I don't feel like it. Dinner time arrived and Tim still hadn't finished his chores. The trash and toys were still piled up across the floors. He ran to the kitchen and jumped in his seat. But there was nothing on the table, not a morsel to eat. Tim's mother shouted, all your chores are easy tasks. Why didn't you do them like I asked? Since you refused to do what I said, you'll have no dinner, so go straight to bed. But Tim just played with his fire truck instead. Ding, ding. Suddenly, Tim's mom heard a strange noise. She texted him, didn't I tell you to go to bed? But Tim was too busy giggling and laughing to care about what she said. His mom was tired and ready to throw a fit, when Tim simply texted her back saying, I don't feel like it. Ooh, you see a problem? Yeah, Tim kept telling his mother he doesn't feel like it. Yeah, that's a little problem. He didn't want to clean up. Tim's mother knew she had to teach him a lesson in a special way. Always saying no and I don't feel like it was absolutely not okay. The next day, Tim overslept and woke up in the afternoon. The usual smell of breakfast did not fill the house nor his bedroom. Tim raced to the kitchen and could only smell his mother's perfume. There was no food or anything on the table Not even a spoon. She teaching him a lesson? Maybe it's a solution. Tim went to his mother's room and said, "I'm hungry, Mom. Can you fix me something to eat?" "I don't feel like it." She turned over and went back to sleep. Tim's stomach grumbled as he thought of all his favorites like bacon, eggs, and toast. He thought of everything except vegetables, which he thought were simply gross. How dare her, he thought out of anger for a second or two. My mom's not feeling like something I asked her to do. Tim shouted, "Mom, I'll wake you up again in a few so you can cook us both some of your famous sausage stew." After a while, Tim became dizzy from hunger. He decided to go outside for a bit. When he looked for clothes to wear, all he found were ones with dirt and grit. Tim was at the end of his wits and ran to his mother's bedroom lickety-split. "I can't find clean clothes to wear," he demanded. "Help me find something that fits." She responded with an icy tone. "No, son, I don't feel like it." Tim limped back down the stairs and sat down on the couch. His mother followed behind and headed to the door to leave the house. "Please take me with you," Tim said. "Don't make me beg." His mom replied, "I don't feel like it," and quickly closed the door instead. What's happening, Tim thought. I really don't have a clue. By this time, Tim was so hungry, he could almost eat a shoe. So he sat for a while, feeling very blue. Hearing the front door open, he turned and saw his mother. Tim was so excited he cried and said how much he loved her. Finally, he understood just how much his actions caused her to hurt. I am so sorry, Mama. I've been so mean to you. Yes, son, this may be true, she replied, but this is something that you can undo. In that moment, his mother knew that Tim learned what you do to others, they can also do to you. She gave Tim clean clothes, a hot meal, and hugged him really tight. Tim never again told his mother, I don't feel like it, and forever loved her with all his might. And that says the end. Some people say the end. Interesting. Did you like that story? Do you ever tell your grown-ups you don't feel like it? Is that something nice to do? No. So the problem, what was the problem in this story? Yes, Tim kept saying, I don't feel like it. So how did his mother, what was the solution? Yes, his mother did the same thing that he did. But then what happened? She just didn't do it. What did they end up doing? They end up talking about it. And it's important that you have to talk about it. And sometimes you have to show people what they do to you, what you do to them, they can do to you. So if you don't like something, if you don't like somebody doing something bad to you, should you do something bad to them? No. That's right. If somebody does something good for you, like my birthday cake, should I do something good for them? Yes, maybe. Yes, maybe. But again, this is from Mary Woolford, a St. Louis Black author. Make sure you check out stlouisblacauthors.com to see some wonderful books. All right, boys and girls. What we're going to do is we're going to go over our words real quick. And then it is going to be time for us to go. We're going to read our sight words. Are you ready? What word is this? Will. Let's spell will. Will. W-I-L-L. Will. Will you be nice to me? What word is this? R. Let's spell R. R-A-R-E. R. What word is this? Go. Read it. Go. G-O. Go. What word is this? I. Capital I. I. I love teaching. And what word is this? And. A-N. Read it. And. A-N-D. And. And. Our last word. What word is this? Sanders. Dr. Sanders. Let's spell Sanders. S-A-N-D-E-R-S. Oh, somebody said they saw the word and. You did see the and. But since it's not by itself, it's not there. Sanders. S-A-N-D-E-R-S. S-A-N-D-E-R-S. I told a story because we have one more word. What word do we have? Nine. That's right. Let's spell nine. Nine. N-I-N-E. 9. Room 9. The largest classroom in the region.
Teaching in Room 9 is made possible with support of Bank of America, Dana Brown Charitable Trust, Emerson, and viewers like you.